to cry. You decided it was time for him to fly out of the darkness and into the light, higher and higher out of sight. The whisper inside your heart tells you let go. Time to leave the past, you did what you knew. Slow down and rest, you've been through a war. No one can hurt you anymore. Behind closed eyes, memories unfold, hidden secrets. There's a song inside your soul, waiting to be heard. Sing it aloud, you've written every word. Oh, out of the silence and into the unknown. Louder, louder, let go. Behind closed eyes, unfold, hidden secrets, shimmering gold behind closed eyes, where the shadows play. There's no looking the other way. Just let the music play. Inside your chest calls on you to cry. Heading back to what used to be home, passing by those little towns I know so well, stopping for gas and then I'm behind the wheel again. Driving this like a spiritual cleanse, where every mile is a new beginning and every bend holds a new end. Eyes on the road, don't lose control. I'm speeding fast to chase my soul. I'm driving to get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting another day. Neon lights in the fast lane light, riding high, reaching for the sky. I had it all but lost and fell back down again. Spent my time playing the game where every single day was a losing battle and every drink was a dead end. soul. I'm driving to get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting another day. How did I get caught? The walls are caving in. How come I got lost in this endless spin? Why do I feel so empty deep within? Where did I go wrong? Eyes on the goal, don't lose control. I'm living fast, I lost my soul. I'm driving to get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting another day. Eyes on the road, don't lose control. I'm speeding fast to chase my soul. I'm driving to get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting another day, heading back to what used to be home, where every mile is a new beginning and every bend goes a new end. You're putting on your blue dress, your hair falls perfect on your shoulders. Notice how we both have gotten older, and I can see that lonely place, looking at your weary face. We used to laugh at everything, remember all the games we played. I remember them like they were yesterday. You used to be my Valentine, no, I'm not even sure you're mine. Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? Do you ever just stop and wonder? We can't let this thing go under. Find a string of hope there somewhere. We don't have much time at hand, so first we have to understand why. So this is where we end, where we ended up at last. I know that we can never change the past. We had it all worked out, and something feels a little different now. Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? Do you ever just stop and wonder? We can't let this thing go under. Find a string of hope there somewhere. We don't have much time at hand, so first we have to understand why. Ever What about the world we both believed in? What about the word that made it so? What about your blood boiling crazy? When you're just aching for her love like you could blow. You're like a broken record that turns and turns and turns again. You're like a broken record. It's what I am. It's what I am. What about the road less traveled? What about the chance we would take? What about the dreams we unraveled? What about the bright and shiny future we would make? Like a broken record turns and turns and turns again. You're like a broken record. That's what I am. What I am. Will the circus come?
Aproveite! Eles ainda estão de graça para assinantes Prime e Kindle Unlimited.